right, it is cold this morning. That's what's getting to me this morning is these cold temperatures. We have another frost advisory for the inland neighborhoods. That goes until 8 a.m. The coldest spots once again are starting off in the 30s. We have a full moon tomorrow night, or tonight. What's the 6th? Today's the 5th, so the 6th. That's when we're going to see the full moon. So tomorrow night, it's pretty much almost full as we look towards Chula Vista. 44 degrees there. Meanwhile, El Cajon, Poway, Escondido, Ramona, and Alpine once again starting off in the 30s. It's actually warmer in Mount Laguna and Warner Springs, if you recall, yesterday, and Julian. Yesterday we were in the 20s. Today we're about 31 to 34 degrees, so still very cold. So there's a storm that brought the active weather on Monday and the chillier temperatures yesterday. We're going to see fairer weather rolling in the next couple of days. This little disturbance is going to pass by to the north of us on Friday. Should bring a few more clouds, and we will notice some gusty to breezy winds at times each afternoon, just like we kind of saw yesterday. That's going to be the trend each afternoon. So today, still cooler than normal for one last day, 3 to 12 degrees below normal. Biggest spread is in the desert areas, actually. Tomorrow, finally feeling like spring, and then Easter weekend, 5 to 20 degrees warmer than today. The biggest jump, of course, away from our coastline. That's going to take temperatures to pretty close to average along our coastline, up to about 10 degrees above normal away from the coast. Mostly mid 60s, a few low 60s today, but mostly mid 60s into the weekend for the coastal areas with a few upper 60s. Inland neighborhoods, we're finally warming back to the low to mid 70s tomorrow and closer to 80 degrees by Sunday, and plenty of sunshine through early next week. Friday, though, again, we'll see a few more clouds in the mix. But by Friday in the mountains, we're in the 60s. By Easter, we're close to 70. Monday looking like the warmest day in the mountains in the 70s, while the desert areas, we are definitely turning up the heat. 20 degrees warmer by Sunday, 90s, 95 early next week.